Is dropshipping halal and is it dead in 2023, 2024? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, boys. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm gonna talk about dropshipping and e-commerce, which is what I've been doing for the past 3 years, and I'm gonna tell you guys if it's haram or halal by reacting to a video from a scholar or a sheikh who has the knowledge of Islam. And we're also gonna talk about is dropshipping dead in 2023. Now, to get you guys started, dropshipping is never gonna die. Dropshipping is only gonna get better because every physical business is trying to sell online, and every business is trying to get out there in the online presence. Now, dropshipping doesn't only mean that you actually get the product from the supplier and straight up send it to the customer. It also means e-commerce, which is another branch of dropshipping, which means you have the products with you and you can sell it at any time you want, which is why we're going to talk about is it halal and is it worth it in 2023/2024. So by starting off, guys, I want to react to a video by a sheikh that talked about dropshipping, if it's halal or haram, which I'm going to play right now.
The Prophet ﷺ said, don't sell what you don't own. It's hadith, it's authentic hadith. What that means is selling unique, like something specific. Like, for example, I have a land, there's a land, I'm selling that specific land and I don't own it. Yeah, that's not allowed. Or you sell a specific car with a specific serial number, then of course you can because you don't own it. But selling something that has a general description, you just have a general description about something and you say, hey, you want to buy that?
Now, as you guys noticed, he makes so much sense, talks for it. Now, the second way that we make it actually super halal, basically in my mentorship, is that we actually use cash on delivery, which means that if I don't give the customer the product, I do not receive the money. For example, in our mentorship, we use cash on delivery, and what that means is that if this is cash and if this is the product, I do not receive the cash before giving them the product, which makes it transactional just like any other business and 100% halal. Now, it doesn't mean in dropshipping you can sell whatever you want. For example, you can't sell a product that's 18 plus or a product that has nude content in it. You have to be careful on what product you actually sell, which has to fall under halal product category. As long as it's a general product, something that actually helps out a person or solves a problem, I think it's completely fine. As long as you have the basic knowledge of Islam, you already know if a product is halal or haram just by looking at it. Now, getting back into dropshipping and if it's worth it or not in 2023/2024, you guys should literally start it as soon as you can, because this opportunity is not coming back to you. The more you delay it, the more you miss out on, and the more you miss out on, the harder it gets for you to actually jump on the trend. Right now is the perfect time for you to start dropshipping and actually have a dropshipping store the easiest way possible through our mentorship Hustlers Ecom, where we teach you everything completely from A to Z on how to start dropshipping, from product research to building the store to doing the marketing to finding the suppliers and doing the delivery for all of those products. If you are interested, message me the word ecom on Instagram, which is right here, Ehsanszz, and I will get back to you personally, answering all of your questions and helping you join the mentorship, inshallah. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.